Looking for a professional diagnostic scanner that delivers dealer-level diagnostics without paying flagship prices? The Autel MaxiSys MS906 PRO is one of Autel's most capable bidirectional scan tools. It combines advanced ECU coding, OE-level diagnostics, over 3,000 active tests, and support for the latest vehicle communication protocols into one professional package. But is it worth the investment? Let's take a closer look. One of the biggest strengths of the MS906 PRO is its advanced ECU coding capability. It supports both online and offline ECU coding for compatible vehicles, allowing technicians to replace modules, perform adaptations, activate new components, and unlock hidden features. It also includes VAG-guided functions, making complex repairs easier with step-by-step instructions. Performance is equally impressive. Powered by Android 10, the scanner features an 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, and a sharp 8-inch Full HD display. It also includes an 11,600 mAh battery for all-day operation and a wireless MaxiVCI V200 Bluetooth interface, allowing you to diagnose vehicles without cables. When it comes to diagnostics, the MS906 PRO provides OE-level full system coverage. It can access the engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, BCM, TPMS, HVAC, and many other control modules. You can read and clear fault codes, view live data, retrieve freeze-frame information, perform auto-VIN identification, and generate detailed diagnostic reports. Autel also includes AutoScan 2.0, which scans vehicle systems significantly faster than previous generations, helping technicians complete inspections more efficiently. Another major highlight is its 3000 plus bidirectional active tests. You can command cooling fans, injectors, fuel pumps, windows, relays, ASC systems, door locks, and many other components, making fault diagnosis faster and more accurate. For maintenance, the scanner supports over 40 service functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, injector coding, battery registration, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, throttle adaptation, steering angle calibration, and transmission adaptation. Vehicle compatibility is another strong point. The MS906 PRO supports more than 150 vehicle brands and works with FD DoIP, FCA AutoAuth, Renault SGW, and VAG SFD Gateway, making it ready for many of today's latest vehicles. It also supports optional accessories like the Maxiba BT506 battery tester and MV108S digital inspection camera, giving professional workshops even more diagnostic capability. Of course, no scanner is perfect. The MS906 PRO does not include built-in TPMS sensor programming or J2534 pass-through programming, and some advanced coding functions depend on vehicle compatibility. However, for professional diagnostics, ECU coding, and daily repair shop work, these limitations won't affect most users. Overall, the Autel MaxiSys MS906 PRO delivers excellent performance, powerful diagnostics, advanced coding, fast hardware, and outstanding vehicle coverage in one professional scan tool. If you're looking for a workshop-grade diagnostic scanner that offers flagship-level features at a competitive price, the Autel MaxiSys MS906 PRO is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more scanner reviews, buying guides, and comparison videos.